and how much filament it's going to take. Okay? And finally, we get to the manual control screen. Let's take a look at that. Go to your Repetier, to the manual control screen, and I'll go through these controls. Okay, you have a couple of new commands. There's a command called start print.
I think we're seeing the other thing, we're not seeing the same one.
Yes, please.
Hi.
And you might want to turn the printer on.
Hi, which printer is this? No, I mean, which printer is this?
So why not?
Is
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna connect it here.
Okay.
Yep. So like up there is stuff. Alright, but this is the wrong print. Oh no, that's it's the same thing Jesse was saying, so the boat was still there, even though.
Yeah.
So that's okay. No, that's okay, that's just the previous.
So just
Yep.
press start print.
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Not yet.
I just want you to get to the manual control screen because I'm going to teach you how to manually control and move your printer from the computer. Okay? We're getting close to actually printing stuff.
What are you doing, Lee? Just looking at them.
Okay. You let it be.
I turned the fan on and it didn't hurt it.
Okay. So, there are some commands for start, stop, and kill. There is a status bar that tells you how long it thinks it's going to take and where the X, Y, and Z coordinates are currently. If those numbers are red, what that means is the printer doesn't know where home is. So click Home X button, please. There's a little button that's house-shaped and it has the letter X on it. Home X, please. Okay? And you'll see that the numbers will turn black. Now, Home Y and Home Z. Okay? So those coordinates are now black when it's done, because what this tells you is that the printer is now certain where zeros are. Now you can move the printer up, down, and sideways. And you do this with the arrow buttons that you see there. So please move the printer up about 20 millimeters in Z and about 20 millimeters in X and Y. If you move the mouse up a little bit, you'll get bigger chunks of movement. There. Very good. So about 20Z or ish, and about 20X and Y. Let me know when you're done.
I'm not getting, I'm sorry. It said 10 and I click it again and it's saying 10. Did you do it 20?
No, it's not. You're not going to 10. You're going 10.
Oh, I see. I've gone
It's
up
incremental.
I've gone up 43
Yeah.
by now and I don't want that.
Correct.
Okay, so I'm going to go back down to 10.
Those are not absolute coordinates to go to. Those are incremental moves.
Okay. Okay, so I'm around it.
Close enough. And then 20X, 20Y. Okay. Now, hit Home Z. The Home Z button. Abs, you got a piece of paper in there someplace? Go get yourself, go get one of these.
Can you severely adjust it?
Yes. You can.
How do you do that? Because that's way off of it.
But the screws are very, very tight. If you turn all 4 screws out by a lot, it'll come pretty close to where you need. Okay, so this adjusts the bed height, which is what we're trying to do here.
Oh, here, hold on.
Here, now what do you get a piece of paper?
He's got one.
All 4 inch. Up.
Have you ever done this?
Nope. Just need a little piece of paper.
Yeah, what you do is just stick it between the nozzle and the bed. Give yourself enough. Okay.
Now, it was shipped this
And
way.
if you can't get it in, then
Make it a
you
little-
can press down on the bed.
More resilient to shocks and shipment. When I ship machines, I try to get them to
So now
tighten up
what
like
you
that
can
as well.
do
Okay, so now,
is
you feel how this, what
loosen
this
the
feels
dirt,
like. This is free. Go
set the
ahead.
thumb screw on the
Kind of move it back and forth.
Okay, what you want to do is get that paper so that it just slides with the slightest of.
I'm gonna lift this up, and when it catches, there.
That's why I put this thumb.
Feel it?
on.
Feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yep.
The easy way
That's
to
a
do
good
it
height.
is Squeeze
Okay.
the two aluminum plates together.
See up?
Rub your thumb wheel a little and then
See
release.
up?
10 millimeters.
Don't try
Use
to
a
turn
mouse.
the thumb wheel against pressure. Take the pressure off by squeezing the
Okay,
two
and then
plates
Z home
together
again.
and running the thumb wheel a couple of times.
I just had it in the wrong direction.
That's zipper in there?
I was doing it in the right direction.
It's gonna bounce and then it's gonna come down.
Yeah, that's loose.
Okay? This is good. All right.
How
Move
much-
the extruder over here.
You just,
Z up.
you want to get it to where the paper
much?
just lay.
5, 10, whatever. Doesn't matter. And you bring it over here, kind of right in this area. So it's gonna be like 20Y and maybe like 180.
21.
I'm just
and what
surprised
is
that
the
it's
F?
taking so
About
much.
180. No, not Y.
Well,
Go back on
like I
one.
said before.
There you go.
No, now it's loose.
You just,
That's good right there. Holmesy.
190. Yeah,
Holmesy.
it's fine.
Oh, I want it, no, I do want it,
Is
I
it?
do want it in the,
Okay, now see how it's bending the bed? That means the bed is just too high here. That's okay. It's easy enough to fix. It's way too tight.
how you doing?
okay, I just,
Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up in the Z-axis.
wait.
Okay, it's starting to move a little bit. That's a little too.
I had it reversed, I had my directions reversed. How's that?
Looks good to me. So why don't, now you don't do anything for a
Okay,
moment.
that looks
I'm
okay.
going to release it.
Right, feel it?
Okay, now I'm going to come back down and home it.
Okay? Now let's see if you guys can do the next corner. Z up,
Okay, now see if you've got a nice.
go
No,
to
it's
about
a little
190 Y.
Okay.
Well, that was.
Okay. Right there, it's fine. Okay, Z home.
Z home.
Yep.
Too much.
It's tricky. That's why I put the thumb wheels on.
See how high it is?
That feels,
So we need to raise that corner.
that
What I would,
feels
what I
messy.
would suggest you
See
do
if you can adjust that corner.
is
You have to
shut the corner
unscrew
off.
that screw. So that it goes
Whatever
up.
that is. Do you want to home, Z home it again and try it just to make
No,
sure?
no, it's a little,
What,
I think it's,
and then we turn off the pressure?
well, the deal is here, Lee, if you try to slide the print head across, it'll fight you. Okay, so slide it across and do this.
Maybe a little too tight. Go the other way. That's good enough. Okay? In this corner.
There's also a,
So Z up.
Yeah.
Move it over here.
Where you want it?
Kind of in here.
Oops. Been there, had that happen.
You want
Just
the
screw
screws
it
come
back
out?
on.
No, the thumb came right off.
Yep, that happened.
Wait,
Z-Home.
Now, what happened there, he hadn't gotten it up far enough and it fell.
I may have.
I'll be there in a sec.
Hey, Lee, are you there?
Can you move this out?
What do you want?
Kind of loose, right, so we need to make it come out again. Nope, the other way.
You can't move it.
Lee, tell me what you're trying to do.
I'm just trying to move this out.
What are you trying to move?
There.
There, just trying to get this out so I can. And I just realized I could have done some damage.
Well,
Good?
That happened yesterday.
If you lose a metric thumb screw, you're in trouble.
So far, simple, right? Here's the tricky part.
Thank you.
This is one mechanical system,
Hey, Lee,
and what you do at
while
every
you're
corner
standing
affects
up,
all the
look
other
at me.
corners.
You
So to
get
get this
the
right,
far front.
now you want to go around
Okay,
all
you
four
come over
corners
here
again.
and you
do
try to
exactly
do
the
this
same.
side and it comes loose and falls off. What that means is that the
Up,
back
up, up,
corner
up,
is too
up, up,
tight.
up. Up, always go up first.
And I believe you're right.
Because what you're doing is you're dragging the nozzle tip across the bed. That's not good for the nozzle tip, it's not good for the
Yeah,
bed.
Lee,
I just need to get this on.
take your fingers and squeeze the two aluminum plates together.
Yeah, no, no problem.
And then you can get the thumb screw on.
So we should go to the back.
Yeah, and the only way to get to the back one is to shove it all the way back and then work from the back. So I'm gonna do a Y home. So watch it, it's gonna move, okay, you ready? Now, if you get in the back, you will probably find that that thumb screw is tight.
I think it is because it fell off yesterday and I had to replace it.
Ah, there you go, that's it. Okay, so loosen that one up, and now you should be able to position the, I
A
would,
little more.
yeah, I go. Okay, now, let me get this one until it starts, okay, it feels loose now. Now you should be able to adjust the front right one.
Okay,
Here, let me give you a little Z here, a little Y.
and do, no, not that much.
Oh, I see, I'm sorry, I see what you need.
That's a good sign. If you go to a corner and you don't have to make any adjustments, that means you're getting close.
Okay, so I see home.
Z home.
Yeah, yeah.
It's really,
Yeah.
tight.
Okay, so now you gotta loosen that thumb screw off. You're doing right. You're
Yeah,
doing
but
right.
I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
Just keep on going.
Let's see, now why is that happening?
It's right in there.
It could be,
Could you give me a
this,
Z home
the
again?
home, it could be the home button. It's too high up and we can it down.
Oh,
Because
that,
when it
yeah,
clicks this,
okay.
it knows where home is.
Okay, let's try this. Let's try it on this side and do a Z home on this side.
All right.
Okay, let me hit Z, I'm gonna hit Z home, watch for movement.
And now I'll try, oh, this is way,
Can I move
Yeah.
this down?
Right there.
Can I just use these
Yeah.
screws?
I think that,
what's the, we got it.
All good.
I think that one is a 2.5 millimeter round.
2.5 work. This 2.5 doesn't.
It's not 2.5.
That's because it's 2. Thank you, Dad.
All right. That looks plausible. Maybe a little tight. But let's
what she's doing is moving.
All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test the extruder and make sure that it works. Okay. Get up, Z,
When
to
you
about
bring
here,
this, there are two little nuts in the back, so you gotta
and
make
let's
sure
get
one-
this table out of the way.
Otherwise it'll
Send it
pop
back
off.
Naturally,
Try
okay.
holding it together and let it move too far down.
Okay, now you're gonna have to do this whole,
Yeah.
okay.
It might be too far down. Yeah, it's way too far down. You see how
Higher?
Okay, now you can tighten up the thumb screws by.
And then home
You
wide.
need to get clearance. Yeah, that's what I do. I just push down.
Right. So that'll put
Now,
it more
normally,
into
we'll
the
not have
range
to do what
anyway.
we're gonna do, because basically, this is the first time we're running it, and I'm also teaching you stuff. What I would like you to do is over here, turn this fan on. Yep.
Nice.
See where it says 150%, turn that back to 100%. Yeah, just drag it towards the
That
middle,
bugger again.
so it says about 100.
This is also why I put longer screws on
There
mine.
you go. Now, this controls turning on the bed, so turn the bed on, and it will ask for 90 degrees. And you should be able to see right here, two things. A signal that says, yep, we're heating. This is our target temperature, and this is the real temperature that's currently going on. I'm gonna let that go up.
Okay, that's
And
just,
if you touch the bed, it's warm, it's getting warm.
One on this side.
Go ahead.
Let's see, you
It's not,
want to
it's not
make,
hot. 25
let me
degrees.
see if I can get it in.
Before you touch anything, look at the temperature.
How actually do you
that's
fold
excellent.
don't touch the plate?
so I
90 is fine. You just don't grab it. You'll touch it and you'll go, ah! But you won't actually burn it.
The other way.
The bed is not gonna hurt you. The extruder will hurt you.
There we go, that's fine.
So, once the extruder turns on, don't do this. 'Cause you'll burn a nice hole in your finger.
well,
Once. You will do that once, and then you will remember. Okay.